Your video needs to have a strong hook. What actually makes my video grabs attention in the first 3 to 5 seconds when I release them? Strong hook. This is one thing some creators are lacking. Hook. If you don't have a hook on your video, if you don't begin with a strong hook on your video, you will still struggle to get engagement. You will still struggle to go viral. So I'm going to use myself as an example. If you've come across my videos on TikTok, you will see that the first 3 to 5 seconds of my video will attract you. It will drag you. It will make you stay. What actually makes people stay without scrolling your videos when they come across your video is the kind of hook you use. Take for instance, I want to make videos like how to make money online in 2025. My hook should be like, if you know you've not made any money at all since the beginning of this month and you are tired and you are looking for ways to actually make some cool cash, now stay and watch this video to the end. Did you see that hook? If you know you've not made any money. So there are some folks who have not made even a dime. They've not made even 5 cents. They've not made even £5. And they come across my video and I'm telling them, if you know you've not made any money at all since the beginning of this year and you are wondering, underline that word, you are wondering, how can I make this money? Stay and what? Now, I have captured their heart. I have asked them to stay and watch this video to the end. So if I'm in that shoes, I was like, yo, I think I need to watch this video. Let me see what this dude is talking about. So your hook matters a lot. And take for instance, I want to create a video to talk about growth. Maybe people that are, people that are finding it very difficult to grow their TikTok account. My hook should be like this. If you know you are in TikTok jail, you are backing 200 views, your video has never crossed 500 views, 150 views, and you are wondering what is wrong with your account, I want you to stay and watch this video to the end. I'm about to reveal some secrets that will break you out from your TikTok jail. Now, did you see that hook? I actually used this very hook in one of my videos I created a few weeks ago, and the video is currently reading 1.1 million views. You can go through my account and check. Now, when it comes to going viral, hook is very, very important. So if you be creating your content, be it TikTok, Facebook, or any other social media platform, you should begin with a hook. Now, I want you to know that the beginning of your video determine if people will stay and watch to the end. And the ending part of your video will determine if people are going to give you a follow or not. So I ask you this question. Does your video contain some hook? And does your video have any CTA? You may ask me what is CTA, call to action. Example of call to action is this. At the end of your video, you say something like, now, if you know you found value in this video, smash the follow button and give me a follow. Like this video. Go to the comment section, drop a comment. Share this video to more than 10 people. The thing is this, yeah? If you don't tell them to follow you, most of them will just watch your video and scroll past. If you don't tell them to like your video, some of them wouldn't like your video. If you don't tell them to comment on that video, some of them wouldn't comment on that very video. If you don't tell them to share your video, they won't share your video. So it is important there is a CTA on your videos whenever you release them. So if you be creating videos and your video has been lacking some hook and CTA, I bet you to start using it and you'll see that your videos will turn around. These are some of the secrets I used in my videos that make my videos keep going viral, that has made me still remain in the space up until today. If you do this, trust me, you are going to grow your followers from here to here. So hook is very important. Start applying hook on your videos. If you did not hear anything, I want you to listen again. The beginning of your video, the first 3 to 5 seconds of your videos determine if people will stay and watch that video to the end. Now, the ending part of your video will determine if people will hit the follow button, will like your video, will comment on your video, or will share your video. That is if there is a CTA on your videos. I hope you found value in this very video. I'll see you in the next class.